Really, with managed methods, it is an extremely valuable visibility tool. I can't say that enough. You don't know what you don't know until you know it. And that's the way I was when I came into this role. I didn't know really a lot of the events that were happening around security that were impacting our district until managed methods could easily kind of bring that to light. I know that in a panel here, there was a question asking about videos through email. And so I can talk about that just a little bit. One of the great things you can do in managed methods is you can set a filter to look for the file types of email. But what we've come to discover is kids are smart, right? Kids will learn how to accomplish what they're trying to accomplish. And so typically students are not going to use email for video. They're going to use your cloud platforms like Google Drive and OneDrive. And so what we've seen is students will store videos into there, and then just like Charles mentioned, they'll share the link with each other so they have access to that video. But we use managed methods to scan for videos in those drives. And the method we deployed was by file size. And what this helped us find was a lot of copyright violations. We saw many kids downloading pirated movies. Of course, at the time we had Google Workspace unlimited file storage, so they were storing all kinds of movies in there. And it took some tweaking, I will be honest there, to find the right kind of sweet spot. If the threshold was set too low, we were just getting notified of a lot of stuff. And most of it was legit educational purpose videos. We set the threshold a little higher, too high. Of course, we weren't capturing any data. So we dropped it down to about 700 megabytes, which we found to be the sweet spot. Now, not to say that pirated movies can't be under 700 megabytes, because they can be. But what this allowed us to do is get another set of data points, a tremendous amount of data. And I was blown away. I don't know how many kids, we had a pretty much Netflix and Google Drive, and kids were just sharing those links all around. So that was a great piece of visibility. So that person had a question about video. That's really how we approach that and took care of the video problem with kids sharing videos.